Hey everybody, I'm here today to show you and tell you how to make a cool whistle sound with your mouth, and this will be the easiest tutorial, so let's get right into this instructional video tutorial. Now I'm going to show you how to make a super easy and super cool whistle sound using only your mouth. Now all that you need to know how to do in order to do this is how to whistle and essentially how to make a little bit of a sound with your mouth. So this is what the whistle sound is going to sound like. Pretty cool, right? Now it's really easy to do. Basically, you're gonna make a sound that is almost like a humming sound, but with your mouth open. So it's like a hum, but you're opening your mouth. And that's the sound. If you're trying to figure out how to get that sound, hum with your mouth closed and then open your mouth. That's the sound at the end there. Okay? Now you're going to also basically whistle like this when you make that sound. Just whistle, and you have to, like, I'm not going to teach you how to whistle in this video because you have to know how to whistle. That's a whole other video tutorial. Okay, you have to learn how to whistle like this. So I'm just whistling with my lips, but I'm using my tongue to sort of make it higher and lower. Okay, now what you're going to do is you're going to do those two things together. So here's what we're going to do. I'm going to whistle, and then I'm going to start making the humming sound, a couple of seconds into that whistle. And it's going to sound like this. And basically, all I'm doing is I'm whistling and I'm making the humming sound together. Now, instead of whistling and then bringing the humming sound in, momentarily after, I'm just going to do them both at the same time. So right now, when I do that sound, I'm going to be whistling and making the humming sound at the same time, starting at the same time. And it's literally that simple. That's how you can make a very simple, cool whistling sound. And all I'm doing is I'm changing the pitch and the tone of it using my tongue. Basically, that's basically it. And also you can change your humming tone so as you can go ooh along with your tongue. It's that simple. And yeah, that's basically it. You can use your tongue to change the pitch and the tone, and you can also use your actual sound to change the pitch and the tone. And when you use your sound, and when you change the sound of your tone and you change your tongue position together, you can create all those different tones. And this is what the final result is going to sound like. I'll be changing my tone of my voice and the tongue at the same time, and you can get all sort of different sounds. That's basically it. Hopefully you enjoyed this video tutorial. I tried to keep it short, sweet, straight to the point. Hopefully you enjoyed it. I've got nothing else to say, nothing else to show you. So with nothing else, we are going to roll the outro. If you like this video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below as a comment. And of course, be sure to subscribe for more great videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.